What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about how to instant VM disk recovery within VM. So let's get right into it. All right, so let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is open up your Veeam Backup replication console. At the very top, we are going to click on Restore. We're going to click on VMware vSpare. From here, we are going to click on Restore from Backup, and you're going to pick your poison. Now, for this video, I am going to actually do a volume restore, and I'm going to pick instant disk recovery. From here, we are going to expand your job. My job is called VM Weekly Backup, and you're going to see all your virtual machines. So I'm going to select the virtual machine that I want to do an instant backup, right? So for this example, it is going to be my SCCM, and I'm going to click on Next, and then pick your restore point. I got a lot of them, right? So pick which one you want, click on Next. It's going to start loading the virtual disk information. Once that's done, you are able to pick which disk you want to recover. Now for this example, I'm actually going to pick my D drive, and I'm going to click on Next, and it's going to give you a nice little warning. I'm going to click Yes here. And for the secure restore, this is up to you if you want to scan for malware. I left it as the default, which is unchecked. Click Next here. Give it a reason, right? Because you might have someone else that might look into the logs and then want to know why you did that restore. Click Next, and you get a nice little summary of what's going to happen. And once you click on Finish, it's going to start the process. And that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and do not forget about hitting that notification bell to get the latest and greatest from this guy. And I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.